I will buy something that is special and extraordinary. Tattoo? Then by wearing this tattoo, I can show off and boast about it. Yes. I just can't bear this itching anymore, as if thousands of mosquitoes have jointly bitten me at this very spot mercilessly. You aren't you my tattoo?
I'm a genie of your
Great fun. My life could not be better than this. After that, you make me stronger than me.
I am not a genie who takes orders. I am a genie who gives orders.
What?
Yes. Now you better go and make me some fresh lime water.
I'm also not the one who takes orders. I am Kalia the Great who gives orders.
Kalia, just remember, your tattoo arm is now under my control.
Slapping us like he always does. For the first time, boss is slapping himself.
Your tattoo genie comes only when you start scratching your tattoo vigorously.
Yes. Once again, it has started itching.
Come on, Dholu. Hold on to his hand and don't let him scratch.
We are all going to play and have fun by the river. Why don't you also come, Kalia? And make sure you carry soap with you.
Why so?
Just for more and more cleanliness.
They are planning to wash me off by having a thorough bath. Kalia, you are terribly scared of water. You will not have a bath.
Not go. I will not have bath.
Chutki, just pass me a couple of laddus. Wow.
I will not have bath. Never again. Never again. It's itching.
Acting smart with a genie.
Bheem, here you go.
Once more. What sort of a genie are you? You can't even punch properly.
A very warm welcome to Nagapur. Come, Bheem.
Let's go. Oh, wow. Just take a look. I think these costumes are for the royal guests.
The first contestant of the Snake Warriors is ready for the competition.
Looks like we did something wrong. They are not welcoming us. I think this is their sign to beat us up.
Run,
And the opponent warriors have sent 3 contestants into the arena.
I have to go and save the 3 of them before it is too late. These are my friends. They are not warriors. They have come here by mistake. Please let them go.
They may be warriors or they may not be. But once you enter the arena, you have to fight. And if you want to save your friends, then you will have to fight me, little boy.
Okay, I am ready to fight with you. But you have to let these 3 go.
Taking somebody's help is against the rules. Bhim has saved the brave warriors from the Snake Warrior, but now Bhim himself will have to fight the Snake Warrior.
Listen, Bhim. I can't change the rules for you, but what I can do, my son, is help you, King. This is the cane of the snake god of Nagapur. It's going to help you fight against the Snake Warrior.
Thank you, King Maniratan.
Now this competition is between Bhim and the Snake Warrior. And young Bhim is giving a tough competition to the Snake Warrior. This is a fight of... And here comes the Snake Warrior's most powerful and unique move. Will Bhim be able to face this challenge? The viewers are on the edge of their seats with excitement. And Bhim has dealt a nasty blow.
Oh, so this is why it's special. It can fly in the air also.
And the brave Bhim is up again, ready to take on the Snake Warrior. Bhim's bravery is commendable.
Here, Your Majesty.
Bhim, once again you brought honor to Dholakpur with your bravery and valor.
My goodness. What a vast place. It looks so beautiful.
There are 1,000 moons out here. How will we know which of these moons belongs to our planet Earth?
Why? Why won't we be able to recognize? Huh? Over there, that one. That's our beloved Chanda Mama.
Look at that one. That moon is the largest of all.
That's Ganymede. That is planet Jupiter's very own moon.
Oh, but first have a look at those aliens.
This is an elephant.
It's not an elephant. This is even bigger than that. It's a whale.
Huh?
Imagine if this alien just decides to squat on our Kalia boss. What is going to happen?
How dare Hold on!
Huh? Wow. Huh? 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 I just can't believe my eyes that so many aliens from different distant galaxies and planets have come here at Jupiter to fight in this crazy championship. I'm wondering whether all this is a dream or what. No one on Earth must have seen such a huge variety of aliens ever before us. At least, let me click all their photos and keep. These would be a proof that this wasn't a dream. Can I please click a selfie with you, my dear?
Yes.
Look over there. There's such a weird-looking alien, guys.
Let's go close and see.
Just the way people on Earth shake hands when they meet, these